So let's continue having fun with Facebook. Are you having fun? I hope so. Now, I want to mention some difference between Facebook and LinkedIn, so you get familiar with the language. Some things mean the same thing, but they want to use their own lingo. For example, in Facebook we call friends, and in LinkedIn we call connections. You know, it's very close to friends, but connection has required an invitation, and somebody has to accept the invitation. In the case of LinkedIn, it requires like a more information. When you want to connect with somebody, they ask you a little questionnaire. In LinkedIn, in Facebook, you say yes or no if you want to be a friend. Now, the friends are not really friends, are really connections, but that's the way we call our friends. I have too many friends and I don't know some of them, but that's another issue. Okay, so this in Facebook they call news feed, which is basically the information that your friends and your companies, the ones you put like, you will be receiving daily, and then you read whatever they have. So that's called news feed. In LinkedIn, that news feed is called status updates. You know, that shows your connections, and you have to scroll down, and you can also have the likes as well in LinkedIn. In Facebook, when you want to connect with somebody, you send a message. In LinkedIn, when you want to talk with somebody, you send an email. I still call it email, but they call it email. But again, it's the same thing. They have some steps, because if you notice, some of you when they wanted to email me, they ask you if you know my personal email. In that case, they will send you the email. So they have some questions, extra questions, to make sure that you actually know the person. Groups in Facebook is the same thing that groups in LinkedIn. You also have forums. Some of them can be public, some of them can be private. The same thing in both websites. In Facebook, they call timeline photo, you know, your picture. And in LinkedIn, they just call it photo. That's it. And in LinkedIn, your LinkedIn photo have to be very serious. And we have a whole section, you know, how to be the photo in LinkedIn. I will use the same style for Facebook, but you can be a little more informal. The profile that we call in LinkedIn is called info in Facebook. And basically in LinkedIn is your career information, something that anybody will read it. In Facebook you can lower a little, put it more casual, but still you have to be serious about that. So I just wanted to do that, you know, to start getting familiar with the language. And now let's go back and keep working in Facebook.